is my grandmother's playhouse. She is made from egg cartons, cardboard, lots of extra things she's found. There's the egg cartons for the roof. The side is cardboard that she painted. Back is egg cartons, cardboard. Front door. Handle for the front door. It's a bottle. Top of a bottle. That's it. And the inside of
I'll get it done and then we'll do a video. You can put it live when I get it done. Okay? Tiffany.
okay. Just looking.
Honey, I was trying to hold stuff with you. Baby, my guardian angel will come back tonight. You want to come show you how the water works, Ava?